What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing the screen protector kit on my brand new Stringer Heigh10 radio. If you guys do remember, we just installed this, so we're going to go ahead and be protecting it. If at the end of the video you guys do want to go ahead and buy it, check out the description box below. I've linked it there. You can also check out the video on the installation in the description box below. Let's get into it. So before we get started on the installation, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what comes inside the box and just kind of what this is. If you guys do remember, I've made previous videos on this screen protect system on many of my vehicles, including this one on my old radio. So today we're going to be installing it on my brand new Heigh10 radio, which, like I said, if you want to see the installation on that, check it out. It's in the description box below. But basically what this does is it literally just protects your screen. So it's literally a screen protector. If you guys do get the one for your Tacoma, the cool thing about that is it'll come with a radio, it'll come where your shifter is, there's a little screen there, and it'll also come with the instrument cluster. As far as for me, I've already installed those previously. I'll link that video in the description box as well if you want to see it. But for today, we're literally just protecting the Heigh10 radio. As you guys can tell, I mean, it's a huge radio. I don't want it to scratch. I don't want fingerprints on it or anything like that. So that's the cool thing about this bad boy here. This company does make different films. For example, they do make the HD, which is like the heavy duty version, and then they also make an anti-glare one. So it just kind of depends as far as what screen protector you want. And they also, like I had said previously, they make it for many different vehicles, not only Tacomas, not only Heigh10 radios. So check them out. It's a really good brand. I've run them on many of my vehicles and I still highly recommend them to everybody. It's high quality grade material. So let's open this up and show you guys how it works. So when you pop it open, they're going to give you guys a kit. But once again, for me, I just have the one for the Heigh10 in this video, but they're going to give you guys a little kit and basically everything you need to do this install. So inside, you're going to get a bottle like this. Don't throw it away because inside there is actually solution. It's going to be a little bit hard to see it on camera, but the solution is right there. So with this solution, you're actually going to need to get some distilled water. Unfortunately, I don't have any distilled water today, so I'm going to try to run it with some purified water and hope that it doesn't mess anything up. But make sure to get distilled water with this. You'll pour it in, give it a good shake, which you guys will see in a minute. It's inside. You're also going to get a kit like this, which is the actual screen protector. Inside the kit, you're going to get just one of the screen protectors, but you guys do have an option of doing two, so that way you guys have an extra in case you mess one up. So that's what I have here. Just in case I mess one up, I have the second one. So we have that there. Inside, you're also going to get a little assurance program, and they just kind of give you guys some details, which you guys can read on your own. It's also going to come with one of their high quality microfiber towels, which you're going to need to actually clean the screen, and it's going to come with a squeegee to squeegee out the product that we're going to be installing, which you'll see what I mean. So let's go ahead and just hop inside the truck, clean the screen, and get this started. And if at the end of the video, once again, you guys do want to go ahead and purchase it, whether it's for your Heigh10 or any other vehicle, screen, doesn't matter, check them out in the description box below. Like I said, they offer it for many vehicles. Let's jump right into it and show you guys. Once you put your distilled water inside the bottle, what you want to do is give it a good shake. So just go ahead and shake it as hard as you can, just for a little while. You want to make sure all the bubbles and everything is actually mixed in together. This is going to be the solution for the installation. And once again, like I was telling you guys, when you guys do buy the kit for the 3rd gen Tacoma, it'll come with that, it'll come with this here, and it'll come with the one with the shifter as well. So it's pretty cool. It's a good affordable price and you're protected. I'd highly recommend doing it when you first buy the truck. But even if you do have an older truck and it's already scratched up, cool thing about this screen protect kit, which tripped me out, is even though you have a little bit of scratches on there, when you lay the product, for some weird reason, it kind of like hides the scratches. I've noticed that, and I've had a couple people tell me about that too when they install it on theirs. What you want to do after you've shaken this very well, spray it down really good, and what you want to do is just clean off the surface very well. So that's what I'm going to do right now. You want to make sure there's no debris or nothing like that. Right, and once you're satisfied with your cleaning job, up next what you want to do is go ahead and grab the solution one more time and just literally go to town with this thing. Go ahead and grab one of them, and like I said, you have the option to buy two just in case you mess one up. And we're going to go ahead and lay it. And then the cool thing about having it wet like that is if you need to, say you go ahead and lay it and it's not correct, it allows you to move it around. So just want it to be as straight as possible. Once you have it in a position where you're pretty satisfied, what you want to do is go ahead and get your squeegee, and then you're going to want to start in the middle. So I'm going to set it there. I'm pretty happy. So start in the middle, come down, and then what you do is squeegee it on out. Like I said, start from one side to another. And then don't be worried, this product is going to be hazy for a couple days, but once it dries, the haziness will actually go away. And if you feel like there's too much water coming out, just give it a quick little dry. You also don't want to mess up your radio, but you do need enough solution in there. And then same thing, now we'll go the other way. Usually if you have air bubbles or anything like that, most of the time, almost like 99% of the time, they will also get out as well in time. I'd say give it between anywhere 3 to 7 days, especially if it's a warmer day, it'll haze out a lot faster. So you're gonna see some haziness, which once again, don't be worried about that. It'll go away in a couple days. There it is. Once again, those haziness, do not be worried, it will go away. Another thing, if it doesn't go away, you can always peel it off, and that's why I had said it's good to get the second one just in case you need to redo it. All right, you guys, I'm going to turn on the truck really quick just to give you guys a quick look. Once again, those will dry out, don't be worried, but cool thing about this is they do offer those two different films, either the anti-glare or the heavy duty film. Cool thing with this is now you can go ahead and touch your screen. You can kind of do whatever you need to do. If something goes across the screen for some weird reason, say you're grabbing your keys and you hit it, now you don't have to worry about the actual screen getting scratched. So as you saw, I touched it, the part that I touched, it's not showing, scratches are not showing, besides the haziness, but don't worry. So there it is, you guys. If you did enjoy today's quick little video, make sure to go check them out, and then make sure to go check out my Instagram as well. You can ask me questions there, and just check out the pictures I post as well. So if you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.